Hello everybody. I want to talk about Tiffany credit card today, and I will show you how to apply for a Tiffany credit card and how to create an account on tiffany.com. And this page is the Google searches, and I I will click the Tiffany.com website, and as you see the link is long, but the main page is Tiffany.com, and this page is frequently asked questions page. And if you want to apply for a Tiffany credit card account, you need to click here button, because as you see on the right type of the page, there is an account button here, but it is not for um, credit card. It is for Tiffany.com account, Tiffany.com login or creation of an account. So after clicking here, there will be a new and account page, account creation page, and I want to show you other asked questions here. And after this, and for example, what are the terms and conditions of a Tiffany and Co credit card? If you want to see the terms and conditions of Tiffany credit card, you need to click here button, and the question is that what are the terms and conditions of a Tiffany and Co credit card? And another question, for example, and for example, yes, does Tiffany and Co disclose the credit card account holder information to affiliates or non-affiliates? As you see, Tiffany and Co may disclose credit card holder information to affiliates and non-affiliates under some circumstances. And all financial companies need to share customers' personal information to run their everyday business. So, and if you want to see the answers of other questions, and you need to click frequently asked questions page here, and you can see the all answers of the questions here. And then let's talk about how to create an account on Tiffany and Co main page. As you see, I said before, there is an account button here on the right type of the button, and I click it. As you see, there will be open and sign in and create an account page. If you have already an account on Tiffany.com, you need to type your email and password here. But if you are new on Tiffany.com, you need to register on the right side of the page. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Please share and like my videos. Thank you. Bye.